Hello, this is Hardik Vyas. I am working in PHP since 2 years. Today I will give you a basic introduction about PHP and what are the primary advantages of using PHP. Let's start. Mm, PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. As you know, PHP is probably the most popular scripting language on the web. It is used to enhance the web pages. PHP is server-side scripting language. It means you cannot directly run on from your computer, but you can request a page from your computer. Next. Let's see the advantages of PHP. PHP is open source programming language. It means it does not lie on any platform. You can run PHP on any platform, just like Linux, Windows, Mac, because PHP uses the Apache server, and Apache server can be used within any other platforms. Next is free of cost. PHP is free of cost. Why? PHP is developed and updated by a community of developers from around the globe. Therefore, all its components are free to use and distribute. Next is capability. PHP capability. It can be used to design any type of website and can handle website with a lot of traffic. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Wikipedia, and many other very wide visited websites use it as their framework. Next is easy for beginner to pick up. It has readable and easily understandable syntax. Its code is embedded in the HTML source code and it is based on C and C++. Therefore, it is very familiar with programmers. Are they very comfortable coding with it? Supports all the major web servers. PHP supports all the major web servers. It supports like Apache, Microsoft IIS, and Netscape, Personal Web Server, iPlanet, etc. etc. PHP is faster in development. Why? Because it uses own memory space and thus decrease the loading time and workload from the server. Processing speed is fast, and web applications like e-commerce, CRM, CMS are also developed faster by it. Security. It has multiple layers to security to prevent threats and malicious attacks. Now the requirements. Uh, uh, while using PHP, we need to first install a web server, just like you can install XAMPP, WAMP, MEMP, LAMP, Apache. It's depend on your platform, whatever you want. Then install PHP, then install a database such as MySQL. To run in a browser PHP, you can write a localhost and then your project or your site. You can use IDE just like NetBeans, Dreamweaver, and Notepad++ to write PHP code.